Here we will see Locanva's diary features is manage the calendar tasks, keep notes during research, attach digital documents, and manage the contacts regarding the matters. Quick Add has a create option for all, user can directly create task from it even. To go to task, click on the above task menu. As currently, we have an empty task bucket. Let's click task by quick add option. Here an add task pop-up opened to fill up task title, its description, task due date, notify the task by on calendar, link up it with the matter. Task due date will make a reminder in the Google or Apple Calendar whichever has been synced on mobile device. Link case option will list out all the user docket cases from the cause list to map the diary record with matter. User can filter by party name or by case type number or year even. To select any case, just click on it. Link to team or client option give an option to link up the task with team or client and share the calendar even with them by it. Task type option give user to give the task a custom label. Here, we are adding our custom task label by urgent task. Click on the add task type. Later on it can be modified. Now the created custom task has been listed in task type list. User can assign this label to particular task. Now we selected the urgent task from the label list and confirm the selection from the bottom left, submit option. Here an option to attach the document for the task if user want to attach any document for the appointment or the task with the team. Click on create a task to create an entry for selected matter. Entry has been added to the task list now. User can view the diary list in tabular view or custom user-friendly view. Attachment can be downloaded from the view to any device whether it is mobile, web or desktop. User can update the task status as it get done. Click on the selection option on task. Status will be updated to completed. Task can be modified later. Click on editor option in task view to modify the task detail. Task list can be filtered by created date, any keyword on type. On typing, meeting with client, filter the task list. Same as empty task list, notes list even empty due to not created any note yet. Same quick add option will work to add any note. As like add task, add note pop-up has many similar fields to keep all the diary modules entry to link up with case, labels and etc. On add note option will created a note entry for the linked case. Same created note get listed in note list. On click of delete option, it will remove the note entry from the list and move to be archived for 30 days. Now let's check the document module. Navigate to the document page by document menu click. Click on the quick add option to create a document entry. Attaching a document required to link case so we can get all the documents regarding any matters at one place. Assign the label to the particular document entry so we can filter by the label ahead to find the particular document after log time. Multiple attachments can be done. Later on, user can share the attached document via the mobile sharing option like WhatsApp or any. Now let's explore the contact module. Navigate to the contact page from the top contact menu, click. In quick add option, user can add person or add company to the contacts list and link them with the multiple matters. By link up with the case, client will get notify about the case hearing via SMS or email.
Let's add a person.
Import contact option on mobile will import content from the mobile contact list. To create a contact, name and mobile no are mandatory fields. Later on, for auto billing purpose, tax no is a required field in custom template. Client postal address for auto billing will be required if managed. A contact for particular case can be a lead, an accountant, a witness or anything, so better to label the contact for further communication. A photocopy of client or their company logo can be attached for identification on the front desk side. So we have created a person entry here. Now we will create a company entry and assign this person under that company entity. In company, link a person, and in person, link a company option to map the contact between the person and company type. So here, we have selected a person under the company entry. Now on add contact, click it alert to the mandatory field if we missed any of the one. Fill the mandatory field and try again adding. We have two contacts, one is a company entity and another is a person entity. On click of anyone, we can see the mapping between. User can export to Excel or PDF from any diary module and can share it via mobile to any social media app.